Hey guys, it's Artem here. I decided to record this video for you, explaining how I solved the UI problem in Bubble and just sharing some updates. I'm building a Bubble in Bubble for the past 3 or even 4 years, and from app to app, I repeating myself in terms of UE building process. So you just have an idea for a project, so you design something in Figma, and then you start building this bubble, and from project to project you repeat it. You can sometimes copy and paste from app to app, but when you have a different bubble accounts, it's sometimes hard because you need to log to one account, copy, log out, log into another one, and paste it to new application. So I built this Chrome extension for you. It's quite nice. It's like the collection of UI and marketing components that can make your app development much faster, and you can really concentrate and focus on the main part, like database structure, logic, without spending time on building the boilerplate elements, styles, and designs. I try to keep this elements super minimalistic and kind of nice and minimal, so they suit for different types of application, and you can easily modify them to fit for your taste and for your brand aesthetics. Let's see what we got here. This is extension. I will leave the link for the extension in the description, so you can download it. It's free, but it has a premium subscription that I will explain in a minute. What is it like? What is the premium plan? Okay, let's go to the. We have an application that I'm working on. I created a test page here, and then I will go open the extension. It works on the all Chromium-based browsers, like the Chrome, Arc, all Chromium-based browsers. I will add support for other browsers later, maybe if it's the need for this. But now it's only for Chromium. Okay, we have this collection of the elements. As we see, I have now I have all the elements enabled here. I can copy because I have the premium subscription. For not premium, just for the regular users, you will have the half of the UI element and all marketing. So I made all marketing elements free for all. Just go, download, and use. So let's say we are copied from here. And then I go to the Bubble app and I paste I have this header here. Then I also can open the extension. Go to the marketing part. Now copy some hero section and paste it here as well. So it's you see it this way, you creating all this boilerplate stuff that you repeat from app to app really fast. Then you can open marketing, go to features, copy some features. So we have this feature section. So you see, and we basically have the 40% of the landing page ready. This is for the marketing part. For the UI part, if you open, we have a lot of stuff. I will just briefly show. So by clicking on this button here, you can show it in more details. So it's sidebars, different kind of sidebars, pop-ups, modals, buttons, all kinds of buttons. Tables with the repeating group and with the table element. Empty states, to show when there is nothing in the data group. So also really useful. So a lot of stuff. It's mainly based on what I actually use in my development. I plan to constantly add in different elements here. In the next few days, I will launch a file uploader element here, and also for the marketing part. Right now, it's one or two elements for the each filter, but I will plan to add more. We have a pricing. Let's check what this is. So yeah, it's nice, like pricing section. Yeah, you can easily modify them to change colors, change, it's all like unstyled. So you see, it's all like so you from here you change the colors, create your styles, and you can pretty fast like make it all work for you, for your use case. One of the nice features as well that the extension has is like what is like the library. What is this? Is yeah, let's say like I'm working on the application and I have some component that I want to save for later, like to reuse for to build my own like a small library. All we need to do is like a copy from here, like from the actual like bubble application. You copy it, then you go to the extension. You see the create button appear here, and also if you go to the library page, you will also see it here. And now you can just press create, like name it. You can write some like optional description if you like, but it's mainly for you just to understand what does this component do. And you press like create, you see it appear here, and now from here you can just copy it and paste it in others. So you can create your own like library of the components. Pretty useful feature if you like to build something like your own. Instead of constantly using the pre-created, you can like copy pre-created, paste it, change it, save it to your library, and have like your own components stored here. So yeah, let's now discuss the you start with the login page. When you download the extension, you can create your account here, just like name and email and password, and you can also sign in. Let's just I will log in with the account that's just a blank one without the premium subscription. Like what is premium subscription? So you need basically to activate your premium plan. You need to buy like it one-time purchase. So you go here, it's like $99, and you get access forever for all the components. If you buy it via this pop-up, you will get on your email. You will get the activation code. Simple as it's like as it is. So and then you get the code as you're ready. You just go here, you press upgrade, you paste the code here, you click activate, and you will get the access for everything. For all these disabled components that you see will be active for you as you activate it. But for the marketing one, you can use everything that we have here. Just use it, like build nice stuff and like make some beautiful things on the internet. So this is like this is for the extension. Yes, share your thoughts about this, like share your feedback. I hope this will be useful for you if you're building this bubble. Just use it to like let me see what you're building, and yeah, let me know if you want to see more components. I will like add everything that I found myself interesting. If I see something that I want to add here, I will be adding it, so you will see what we have like updated one. As I mentioned, I will add like a file uploader in the next few days, and yeah, I hope you like it. Please enjoy, let me know how I can improve it, and see you in the next video, guys. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.